Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Stay blessed, stay happy. This is your space for calm, clarity and a little joy. As Navratri begins, we're not just celebrating rituals. We are stepping into a living, spiritual roadmap of life itself. The 9 forms of Ma Durga or the Navadurga guides us from innocence to wisdom, from courage to compassion. Our ancestors, rishis and gurus have shared the wisdom of the Navadurga through stories. But these are not merely tales to be heard. Each story, each form carries a living energy. By connecting with them, we can absorb their strength and bring their timeless guidance into our modern lives. Prathamam Shaila Putri. Ancient texts call her the daughter of the mighty Himalaya. Shaila means mountain, Putri means daughter. She is the very first step, innocence itself. She holds a trident and a lotus, power in one hand and purity in the other. Ma Shaila Putri is that fresh start, the energy of all beginnings. Whether it's a new relationship, a new job, or a new habit, she simply reminds us that innocence is not weakness, it's fertile ground. Our blank canvas is our biggest strength. We have to trust it. Dvitiyam Brahmacharini. In ancient India, students dedicated several years to studying in a Gurukul. This stage, known as Brahmacharya, was filled with discipline, study and self-control. Ma Brahmacharini embodies this. She walks barefoot, dressed in white, carrying a japamala and a water pot. She is tapasya or dedication. For us, she is the focus in a world of constant distractions. Her lesson is timeless. Success comes from consistent effort, patience and dedication. Whether you're learning a skill, building a career or growing personally, her energy calls you to stay steady and committed, fully disciplined and in self-control. Tritiyam Chandra Ghanteti. Ma Chandraghanta is described in our texts as the warrior. She has a crescent moon on her forehead, has 10 arms and a tiger as her vehicle. She is the awakening of courage. Ma Chandraghanta teaches us balance, strength with grace, courage with compassion. Today, she is the inner warrior that helps us face our fears, stand up for what's right and navigate through challenges with confidence. Kushmandeti Chaturtakam. The Puranas say, when the universe was nothing but darkness, Ma Kushmanda's radiant smile created the cosmic egg. She is the source of light, energy and creation. She embodies the creative, nurturing force that sustains life. Her energy is all about creation of ideas, projects, communities or hope. When life feels overwhelming, she reminds us that even a small spark of creativity can light up the darkness. Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Skanda Mata is the mother of Skanda or Kartikeya and is shown with her child in her lap. She rides a lion. She embodies nurturing love, unconditional care and wisdom. Her lesson to us is empathy. She tells us that real leadership is not control but care. Whether you're a parent, a friend, or a leader with a team, her energy is all about lifting others, not just yourself. In this world where everything can feel so self-centered, Skandamata reminds us that compassion is power. Shashtam Katyayani Ticha. Born of sage Katyayan's penance, Ma Katyayani is the warrior form who slayed Mahishasura. She is Mahishasura Mardhini. She is fierce, fearless and protective. In today's world, she teaches us to stand up for what is right. She is the voice that says silence in the face of wrong is not peace, it's surrender. For today's youth, Katyayani is that fire that burns in those climate marches, in women's rights movements, in every fight for justice. She calls us to be brave enough to protect dharma in our worlds. Saptamam Kalaratriti. Dark-skinned, disheveled hair, a blazing form, Ma Kalaratri looks terrifying, but she's the most compassionate. Her mission is to destroy ignorance and fear. She represents transformation. She reminds us not to run away from our shadows. She tells us to face them, whether it's toxic habits, negative thought patterns, or fear of failure. Ma Kalaratri says, destroy what doesn't serve you. Only then can you make space for light. Mahagauri Tichashtamam. After the storm of Kalaratri comes Mahagauri. She's shining, she's calm, and she's radiant. She's serenity, purity, and forgiveness. She teaches us that forgiveness is freedom. After all the struggles and arguments and battles, peace must follow. Her energy is that reset button, reminding us that kindness, forgiveness, and calmness are not weaknesses, but in fact they are our ultimate strength. Navamam Siddhidatri. Finally, we meet Ma Siddhidatri, the giver of wisdom and perfection. Surrounded by devotees, she represents the culmination of the journey, complete knowledge, compassion, and guidance. For us, she is the wisdom in action. It's not just learning, but sharing. Not just gaining, but giving. She tells us that to use our voice, our platform, our talents should not be just for ourselves, but to uplift others. And so the Navadurga are not some distant and ancient stories. They are in fact a mirror of our own journeys. From innocence to wisdom, each form of Ma Durga teaches us what it means to live with courage, compassion, creativity, and balance. This Navratri, let's not just worship, let's absorb. Let's ask ourselves each day, what lesson will I take from Ma today? Is it innocence, discipline, courage, creation, love, justice, transformation, peace, or wisdom? Because Navratri is not about just those 9 nights of devotion. It's 9 steps towards becoming the best version of ourselves. Om Durgaya Namaha. Happy Navratri. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay happy.